Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. Today I am doing my washi tape collection and declutter. So I don't think they fit all in the frame, but I have here way too many washi tapes probably. And I was thinking to kind of go through them, see which ones I like, see which ones I don't like so much or I don't use. And I'm gonna put them aside, and at some point I'm gonna take them back to Poland. My mom will take it to work to see if any of her friends have kids that would like to basically play with some colorful tapes. I think that's the best option, because here I don't really have anyone to give it to. So these are my washi tapes. This is the most satisfying one because it's like color coded. But let's just get into it. So I'm actually going to start off with this little bin, which, if you can tell probably, it's all Christmas related. And I feel like I went through it not so long ago. And I only have here the ones that I do really enjoy. So these will all be staying like they are. Now, this little basket, it's a bit of a mix, as you can see, loads of like golds and silvers and some duochrome or whatever, holographic. Which ones I don't really use? I don't really use these. I just don't really like the shade of gold that they are. Why is it so difficult to show? I don't like the shade of gold that they have. So I'm actually gonna grab this thing to put here the ones I'm not keeping. This one's like a marble one. This is a maybe. This is a cool one. It's like a lace one. I only have one of those, so this will be staying. These are like Easter themed. I only have these two, so they're definitely staying as well. I have a few gold ones, but they're different thicknesses, so I like these. These are cool. I have two of the holographic ones. Are these the same? Yeah. So I will get rid of one and leave one. This I don't really use, to be honest. It's, I don't know, my favorite. Okay, I think that's gonna be it for now. Let's go to this one. And here, what do we have here? I feel like I like the vast majority of these. Maybe not this one. This just seems kind of like big and awkward colors that I wouldn't ever use really, like the combo. These are nice. I like the black and white. Very nice to use. This one I feel like I'm not really using, the small hearts, and the rest, and this one also not, I think. I will leave this as like a confetti. It's more like a normal tape type, but it's nice sometimes. These sets, by the way, they are from Action. So I'm just gonna have a quick look towards myself. I do have silver already, but that's a different kind of silver. I don't know if I would ever use this, but then again I can see myself using it. I feel like I need to take them out, because like here I have so many glitter ones, and I already have here like a silver glitter. Okay, let's take them out. It's gonna pain me a little bit to do it, but I think like we have to really compare what I have in my collection, to be honest. So, and I also take out these like shiny ones as well. And let's just put them all here. Okay, as you can see, this really helped to have an overview, because apparently I have quite a lot of like glitter ones and like those shiny ones, and I definitely don't need all of these. So let me start with the shiny ones. Out of those, I'm gonna keep these two for sure because they're thicker. I'm gonna keep this one because I have only one color of this. Well, I have only one of this color. Same with the purple. The pinks I think are literally all the same. So I'm just gonna take one and remove the rest. The silver, same, take one. Same with the gold. I'm sorry, but these are different to me, so they're staying. Okay, the glitters. Let's start with the blues. So they're actually all a bit of a different shade. I like this one the most. I think I would keep these three. I'm keeping these three. The pinks, again, they're all a different shade. This is too peachy, I feel like. I'm keeping all of them. Oh. The golds. I don't like this one. I'll keep one. And these are all different. Out of these, I'm keeping these two. One of them. I'll get rid of one of the thin ones. You know what, I'm gonna have a second look at those pink glitters because it's the same problem. So I will get rid of this one and this one, keep these two in the big form and keep these two in the small form. Then we have the blues in the thin form, which I'll keep this in the thin. I'll keep all of them for now, to be honest. Okay. So there was that. I think I need to kind of put them together by color and come back to it. So I'll be back. Okay, so I have grouped them a bit more now. And I do have to come back to these glitter ones because I have way too many like of the blues, like it all just looks the same. So realistically, do I want like a thicker band or a thinner one? I feel like a thicker one, I like this one the most. So this will stay. And then probably these thinner ones. Actually no, this one is very dark. I don't need this one. Neither do I need this one. So I think these I will keep. I think that's already better. This is just a weird color. I don't ever see myself using this. And here, I think I can get rid of this thin one, or there's only like that. Yep, that is a lot better, I think. And then here are my gold ones. I think there I'm okay with leaving it like that for some reason. And then these gold ones. This is just like a fun one. I feel like this I'm never gonna use. It's too coppery. And then if I want the copper, I have this one, like a proper copper. So there's that. And then the two silver ones. This one is like a holographic one. And I also have a bunch of these in different colors, which I feel like they're gonna have to all sit together in this bunch once I find them all, because I only found 2, or do I only have 2? It's possible I only have 2. Oh no, one more, the pink one. Ah, a blue one. I knew I had more. Yeah, I feel like these should just stay together, to be honest. So, yeah. That's this basket for now. This was a maybe and I'm gonna get rid of it. Now, I have like a green basket and that kind of flows into these mint turquoise colors. So I'm gonna start over here, and I must say this color is just not, it's too yellow over green to me, so I always go for this one over this one. Well, this one is running out, which is sad, but I for sure prefer this, so this is gonna go. I don't really use this, to be honest. I like the flowery bits. These are fine, they can stay. I like all these. This one, it's the only one with like dark blue, so I will keep it for the time being. And then these ones, I really enjoy this color, so I think I'll keep them all for now. What does this one say? You are loved. No, honestly, don't ever see myself using that one. Same thing with this one. If I have to choose between this and this, I always go for this one. So this can just go. Thin ones. This one says Lost in Paradise. I'll see if I ever use it. It can stay for now, so this is fine. I'm gonna show you this one, which is like astrology / moon themed, purples and a bit of grays with purples. These I haven't used enough to see if I like them, but I think I will keep them for now. This one doesn't really speak to me, it speaks more like leave my collection. The rest I think I will keep for now, although what is this one? It's a bit brown. Yeah, this can go, I think, to be honest. This I think I've used, but it wasn't my favorite, but I can still keep it for now. Some of my favorite ones with like animals on them. So that's gonna be it for this basket. Let's get into the grays and the blacks. With white, I love this one. It's just the geometric pattern that I love it so much. These I think were all fine, to be honest. This I don't know, but it's a good basic. This one I'm not sure. Again, I've never used it yet. Quite a few of these I've never used. Oh, and this one is ripping. So that's nice. Yeah, some of these are not the best quality. I mean, they are from... Majority is from Action. And that's just not where the quality lies. But I don't see myself using this for anything, so it's gonna go. The rest... What does this one say? Don't call it the dream. Call it the plan. Sure, a bit motivational, but why not? Smile. Day to do. This is like, if I have to go between any of these, I would go for this one, I think. So I do think I'm gonna get rid of this one. Although it fits nicely, so why would I? Right? That's my that's my reasoning, although it doesn't fit nicely, so. I also have this, it's kind of part of the blacks. And this one too, but it's like the marble effect. What do I do? I think I'll keep it like it is currently. Okay, for these, it's a bunch of random ones. I have some golden ones, like a fabric more. It's kind of funny to be honest, but I'm gonna keep these. Keeping this one too, the holographic one. I'm so sorry. This I love. This is a bit more like animal themed. Not my favorite. I feel like I'm not gonna use this one, so I'm gonna get rid of it. The cameras, Happy Day. I think I've used that one. It was not bad. This I feel like is like a really off color for me that I don't use. I really doubt about these because they're not really my colors. They're like a bit of fun. I think I will prefer this over this with like this copper thing, so bye bye. Or maybe I'll keep this one. Oh, I'll keep this one. Okay, this still needs to be reorganized, but it's okay. And last but by no means least, out of these, I love these ones. The panda ones are great. These, the arrows, I prefer these arrows. Actually so I'm gonna get rid of these arrows. Ooh, the cactuses, the pineapples. So the pineapples I think are gonna go. And I think this as well. Yeah. Some red ones. I actually need to get like a proper red and a proper orange because I don't have any of that. This one I don't really like, to be honest. These are okay. There are some like birthday themed ones. Loads of pinks. This I don't enjoy. Neither do I enjoy this one or ever use it. I don't like the pattern and the color combo. This is sprinkles, so I'm gonna keep it with the birthday themed, and I'll keep these as well. So there's that. So I actually forgot to show you these. These are like really small random tapes. Not even washi tapes, but they're like a pattern, and I don't remember where I got these. But they're like fun little colors, so I do keep them around. And I also have one giant one with like sweets on it, which I also keep in this small thing. But this is, I just dumped some stuff here. Please ignore that. So I'm gonna quickly maybe rearrange it to be more pleasing to the eye. I'm making more of a mess, I feel like. There you go. So I just put in some that were in here in this to show you that this basket is all I'm getting rid of. As you can tell, it's mainly those glitter ones. I had a lot of them, even here. These that I had doubles of. These I don't really love. And some other ones that I'm like, nah, don't know. I don't really use them. So this is what I'm gonna get rid of. Like I said, I'm gonna pass it on to someone, and if that's gonna satisfy you, I'm gonna count how many I had and how many I'm getting rid of, for anyone that loves some numbers. I'm curious myself, but I think it's gonna be 100. Looks like it at least, or must be, or more. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.